Uncover off-market real estate goldmines and get ahead of the competition by mastering how to find pre-foreclosures on Propstream right now. Step 1. Log into your Propstream account once you're in. We're going to use the search function to narrow down our target area. Simply type in the zip code or city you're interested in investing in this. We'll pull up a list of all properties within that location. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the Filters button to unlock Propstream's powerful search capabilities. We're going to focus on a few key filters to pinpoint pre-foreclosures. Navigate to the Mortgage section. Under Status, select Delinquent. This is our first major indicator that a property might be headed towards foreclosure. Next, go to the Liens section here. We want to look for liens pendens and foreclosure filings. These are legal notices that signal the foreclosure process has begun or is imminent. Make sure to set your date range to see recent filings. For an even more refined search, let's head to Property Details. Selecting individual ownership and owner-occupied can help identify homeowners who might be more motivated to sell. Once you've applied these filters, watch as Propstream dramatically narrows down your results, highlighting potential pre-foreclosure properties. You can now click on individual properties to get detailed information like owner contact info, mortgage history, and any associated liens, giving you a significant competitive advantage. Start leveraging Propstream's power today and capitalize on these off-market opportunities before they're gone.